Daily list, item number 1 for pronouncement of judgment.
I'll read only the operative portion. As was held at para 61 of the Jagjit Singh case, this court is also of the view that the members of the petitioners' union herein are entitled to the minimum pay scale at the lowest grade in the regular pay scale, as was made applicable to their counterparts. The said para reads as follows. In view of the position expressed by us in the foregoing paragraph, we have no hesitation in holding that all the temporary employees concerned in the present bunch of cases would be entitled to draw wages at the minimum of the pay scale at the lowest grade in the regular pay scale, extended to regular employees holding the same post. In view of the above, to the extent indicated, the prayer made in this petition is allowed. The relevant respondent authorities in the MECL are hereby directed to take necessary action to implement the direction given herein, that is to ensure that the members of the petition union whose names can be found at Annexure A3 are being paid equal pay for equal work. The same to be completed preferably within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this judgment and order. This Annexure A3 is the list given by the petitioner. Does it include all or only some of the workers?
My friend will be in a better position because it is their document.
I don't know whether
Because they've come to an association,
whether they are all of them on block or just a few of them. Anyway, it will be confined to only.
We will also ascertain, my lord.
It will be confined only to A3. Thank you.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. Joint request, my lord. This matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Joint request
Joint request. And for respondent number 2 to sir.
on prayer made by the parties or cantonment matter.
Yes, ma'am.
This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Obliged. May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 6.
What is this matter?
That is forest colony
Colony
case, your
matter.
lordship.
There are 2 cases, 6 and 7.
2 cases, your lordship. 6
Connected
and 7,
matters.
your lordship.
You are appearing in both case?
Lordship, as per instructions, we're only appearing in item number 6.
And who's appearing for 7?
Lordship, we had been appearing, but we have been disengaged for item number 7, Lordship.
You should have said so earlier.
Lordship, this only came just on the last occasion we had gotten instructions, Lordship, not to no longer appear for items.
And item 7 notice will have to go, your lordship, to the petitioner.
No, what you do is, you see, if you have you've been disengaged,
Lordship.
it is it would be polite of you
Lordship.
to inform the petitioner.
When case,
Since we have been disengaged, you engage another.
Lordship.
That would be better instead of a formal notice being issued. And we'll adjourn both the matters.
Lordship.
In the meantime, try to
for a
inform-
week only, your lordship, for that purpose, for a week only.
Lordship.
So our long pending.
Lordship for weeks.
on prayer made by the petitioner. This is matter up to 1 week.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Apply, your lordship.
May it please your lordship, beg to mention item number 8. I pray This matter may be taken after 2 weeks.
Your for?
Petitioner.
What is this matter about?
Teachers matter, Your Lordship. Regularization of the services. They are government school teachers. They teach Hindi.
In fact, item 8 and 9 are analogous matters.
Connected matters.
Yeah, what about 9?
Pardon?
Are you asking for a genuine also in 9?
Time, Your Lordship. 2 weeks.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
Highly obliged. Much obliged.
What else?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. I
Things
humbly
left.
pray let this matter be passed on Thursday.
Things left. On pre-made by the petitioner, by the appellant, list this matter up to 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks then.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I would like to withdraw this petition, Lordship, because there is error in the prior, Lordship. Kindly allow me, Lordship, 1 week time.
Letter counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw this petition. Accordingly, petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
Item number 3.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we've issued notice to the respondent, and as per the service report from the website of the GPO office, Your Lordship, respondent number 1 has been delivered. However, for respondent 2 and 3, Your Lordship, as per the consignment report, the item is still in dispatch, Your
You
Lordship.
file a service report as far as the respondent wants.
Not yet, Your Lordship. We will be filing the, Your Lordship.
So what about 2 and 3?
2 and 3, Your Lordship, will wait first till the item is delivered. If not, we might issue a fresh notice, Your Lordship.
Miss, and a counsel for the petitioner for the. This is a
It's a MEC appeal, writ appeal, Your Lordship. I mean a MAG appeal, Your
this is a
Lordship.
continuation of delay.
Yes, Your
application.
Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that as far as the notice issued upon the respondent 1, it has been confirmed, excuse me, from the post office that the same has been delivered. However, the learned counsel would submit that an affidavit of service may be allowed to be filed in this regard. As far as the notice issued upon the respondent 2 and 3 is concerned, the learned counsel would submit that no report has been received till date. It is prayed that some more time may be awaited for a report in this regard. As prayed for, allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Lordship, in this case, some more documentation is required. One letter has come to me, Lordship, and in this, that's why I sent for the affidavit to be filed. And again, some changes is required in this, and Contempt has been directed to go into the matters. This one letter I got. This is the copy of the letter.
So you have not been able to file your.
Lordship, now this in this letter it is saying that Contempt Chief Executive Officer will be authorized to file the affidavit on behalf of India, and some modification may be advised to him. This is a letter to me.
Now who is appearing for the contempt?
Contempt is our SP Manto sir is there.
Yes. So what is your assumption? Have you filed your?
They have already filed. So from Eastern Command, some letter has come to the executive officer, this Contempt board, and they have referred to me this letter and ministry letter also. So whatever affidavit I already prepared, this maybe changes their instruction has come up. So it
So
will
then you have to, you have to consult with the respondent.
yes, Your Lordship.
They are appearing for the board.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So whether the CEO is, empowered to sign the affidavit or swear the affidavit or not, that would be, on how you two discuss.
Yes, as per ministry letter, it has been authorized to him. So
That is what, that would be your, internal communication. As was,
yes,
yeah.
that's true. Your
What is
Lordship.
required now, as far as this court is concerned, is for the counter to be filed by all the respondents. Who has filed it, who is competent, that will be looked into later. Mr. Artemna Leonard CGC has submitted that. Some more time may be allowed for the counter affidavit to be filed on behalf of the respondent 1 and 2. Since a communication has been received indicating that the CEO of the Cantonment Board is the competent authority to swear the said affidavit. However, the learned CGC would submit that the matter would be clarified on discussion, after discussion with the respondent 3 and 4 respectively. This period at some time may be allowed in this matter. Pre-allow, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 11.
Yes, Miss. Tell me.
Your Honor, as per the order, we need to file the chart indicating the payments. Your Honor, will be submitting now.
Have you given them copy?
We'll serve now, Your Honor.
You give a copy to them.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many employees are there altogether?
Your Lordship.
How many employees are there altogether? They should cross the mandatory 20, isn't it, Miss Vircharji?
Yes, Lordship, it should cost mandatory 20, but Lordship here, that is what Lordship I was submitting also, Lordship, previously. Lordship, for the March 2023, number of employees paid together is 25. March wage month, March
Yes.
2023,
423.
number of employees is 25. 25, 23, then January is 19. And then again, Lordship, in the month of February there are two payments, one for 18, one for 19. Lordship, here what happens, once they are covered under, means we are also not sure. Here in the month of May they have said that it is 16, whether they are some other payments or not, because simultaneously there might be a number of payments, there might be a for the employees, because for 25 employees sometimes they are paying together, sometimes they are paying in 2 installments, like 15 and 10, like that, which can be reflected in the month of February. So it is
Yes, because I think in February it's only one.
February 1. So that is what, Lordship, it is like.
So it would appear, see, if you look on the average, it would appear that there are 25 employees.
25 employees, average 25 employees.
Where's the list of those names? It's not here.
Your Lordship, I'll take the instructions. Let the matter may come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
It will be better.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just give them lists
Yes,
of all
Your
those names.
Yes.
Otherwise, now what you are indicating is just the number and the remarks.
Lordship, I think for the page number 55, Lordship.
55 of the petition.
Yes. Here 21 employees name is reflected, Lordship.
55.
20 in page number 55. Page number 50.
There's no petition. So,
Lordship, Lordship in this page.
oh, in this.
the chart.
When I asked you petition,
Oh, Lordship.
yes, here 20.
Here 20, then next page is 1,
One. So 21.
21 employees.
But where's the, what about the 25?
I think, Lordship, there some below the reasons are also there.
Yes.
UAN deactivated, then Aadhaar not, might be the Aadhaar is not there, some might be that these are the reasons.
Okay.
Might be, I'm
So these are the 25 names, 21 names here.
21 names.
Now, against each name or against each person, this is the
Amount.
Wages, contribution. Okay.
The gross amount, then EPF,
Yes, yes.
then pension schemes, then all this, everything is there.
So this will tally with your figures.
Lordship, here it is mentioned as what is the amount for contribution. Now they have paying total, in total. So this is for per employee. So what
Per
will be the
employee.
total? It will, if they are paying for one employee, suppose for the month of February they have paid for one employee, so one employee's the amount
Yeah,
will be less.
I got your point. If they are paying for 2 employees, then
Yes.
you see what remains is, suppose now 23 employees remain.
Yes.
Next month they will pay for 23. They may not pay for the 25 which is they are supposed to pay.
They are supposed to pay.
Very confusing.
Yes. So Lordship,
You're not getting a clear picture here.
Lordship, that is why Lordship, when they come before the court, they say that yes, we have paid. These are these are the challans we have paid for the month, but the extraction is there. But on paper, they are paying either for 5, either for if they pay for 5 years, they have paid for the month of February, but not for all employees.
Exactly.
Just for the namesake, just to enter the data. Yes, I am present. But in college days, sometimes we used to do the proxy. So just a proxy.
True, but it has to be, you see, it has to be reflected in the bank statement
Yes, Lordship.
that such and such amount has been remitted to or deposited in the bank.
Lordship, it will be they will be paying an accumulated amount together. That this is the as a bulk.
Yes,
They will.
I understand.
So
They will be, you see, they may be, suppose for a particular month,
yes,
they will pay 10,000.
Lordship.
That 10,000 will be for 25 employees.
Lordship.
The next month they will pay 7,000,
7,000.
which will be for 20.
20.
So on and so forth. It
So
might
on and so
might vary.
Varies.
So how do you reconcile that? according to you, is there, there is no, you see, there is no clear picture
There is no
of
clear
what,
picture.
what exactly is due
What exactly
from the
is?
petitioner against each employees or all the employees.
Yes. And the consequence of this is, Lordship, if the employees, mainly there are mostly teachers, and few will be staff, the office bearers. Some the main will be the teachers who are imparting educations. They are not getting pensions, so from the provident fund there some amount will be helpful for their during their pensions times. So if they are not paying now the pensionary benefits which they are supposed to pay, and for the employers shares, what is 8% and 3%. 3% is provident fund, and 8 point I think 3-4% it goes to the pension schemes. When it is going to this pension scheme, that 8% is major amount when the person gets retired. The employee is paying 12%, the employer
Yes,
is
that-
getting
that-
divided.
We are not talking about the scheme as it is, is there.
It's
It
there.
ought to be implemented, but how it was implemented, this is the the question that is asked here. Whether it has it has been done so in a proper manner, whether the concerned employee or the employees are getting the benefit that is due to them.
Yes, Lordship.
That is the only thing. You see, a tabulation has to be made.
Lordship.
The share of the petitioner as far as the employee is concerned and your share. The share of the petitioner and the staff.
Employer share.
Employees share.
Employee and employer.
And whether that has been recorded properly by you. Whether that, that record is with you.
That record, Lordship, here, suppose
So
for
what
the
you are
first
getting, according to you, what you are getting is just the lump sum,
Lordship.
which is not
Suppose, Lordship, the first page in the chart only, the first page, they have entered, suppose for the month of February, they have entered 18 people and they paid this much. Now, for the salary structure, all are not equal. So, if they are paying 22,000 as a contribution, so what is the total, means what is the amount each employee they are paying? That is also not clear, Lordship. Because as a salary structure, some employee who are senior, there will be enhancement. Who are a peon, whose salary will not match with the senior's employee.
I think we need to go more in detail on this. If required, the records has to be produced. The record, pertaining to the contribution, that has to be, because only from the record we'll understand as to how much was deducted against the particular employee and how much was deposited. Because in the records you will find for employee A, B, C, D, E, from A it is 500, from B it is 1000, from C it could be 3000, and then total is 10,000, and that 10,000 is the amount that you have deposited in the bank and the record that you have forwarded to the EPF. They will not have the details, nor is it apparent here. So your record would show that, should show that. You produce the records. We'll see if it can clarify the the matter. Otherwise, we'll have to go by whatever is there on record. Mr. Counsel for the petitioner has produced a chart indicating payment oblique contribution made by the petitioner as regard the employees of the petitioner's school. However, even on perusal of the said chart, there is no clarity as to the contribution made against each particular employee, which if one which if correctly understood would be about 25 or so. Since this particular aspect of the matter is not yet clarified by the petitioner, it is therefore necessary for this court to produce the relevant records. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to produce the relevant records, produce a set record on the next date fix. It is made clear that the details of all the employees and the amount of contribution made by such employee as well as by the petitioner school towards the EPF should be clearly indicated. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Lordship, may I please, Lordship, in item number 2, whether the liberty was granted or not, Lordship, I just want to confirm.
You didn't ask for liberty.
I asked, Lordship, but
You did not.
I asked, Lordship. Then
You can rewind and see.
I want the liberty, Lordship, to file fresh, Lordship.
He was confused about the liberty part. So he was waiting and
In fact, you see, it is not required for this court to give you liberty, because you are entitled to file. As far as bail application is concerned, even if it is considered dismissed, you can still file a fresh bail
I was a little
application.
bit confused, Lordship.
Anyway, so I have to
liberty.
liberty to file a fresh bail application as paid for is granted.
Much obliged, Lordship.